The National Weather Service in New York has issued a extreme wind warning for New York County and New York until further notice. At 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, surface observations indicated extreme winds associated with the eye wall of Hurricane Churchill, moving east at 159 miles per hour. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Other locations impacted by extreme winds include New Jersey, Albany, Philadelphia, and Boston. Take cover now. Treat these imminent extreme winds as if a tornado was approaching, and move immediately to the safe room in your shelter. Take action now to protect your life. The safest place to be during a major landfalling hurricane is in a reinforced interior room away from windows. Get under a table or other piece of sturdy furniture. Use mattresses, blankets, or pillows to cover your head and body. Remain in place through the passage of these life-threatening conditions.